cannot see myself in that little screen.
You can't see. You ain't able to see yourself.
Oh, okay. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yeah, I see your whiteboard.
Okay. Today I'm going to be teaching organisms of the Sixth Kingdom classification, and we're going to classify them by their characteristics. Our first activity is a definition activity.
Would you like me to read it?
Yes.
A kingdom. Second read.
I will drag it and see. Okay, keep going.
A kingdom used to place species in a classification with a common characteristic it is called the Sixth System Kingdom.
Let's see if we are right.
Oh, Jesus.
So,
The correct answer is a system. A system used to place species in a classification. That ain't correct.
here we do it. Remember, characteristics and 6 are in the right spot.
Okay.
And I'll put that there first. Characteristics.
Okay, a system used to place species in a kingdom.
Okay, so a system used to place species in a, and you said kingdom?
Kingdom, yeah, take kingdom. With a common characteristic is called Sixth Classification Kingdom. Sixth Kingdom Classification.
Check our answers. Okay, well, anyway, for time's sake, we're going to keep moving. We'll Google, or you can look it up yourself, the kingdom classification, and you can write down your own definition.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to do another activity. And we're going to list the classifications where when you organize, put your organisms in their kingdoms, this is the classification system.
Okay. I'm gonna go with domain for the first one. I have kingdom for the second one. Family for the third. Class for the fourth. Order for the fifth. Idiom, is that how you pronounce it?
I think so.
For the next one. I was struggling. And species. Oh, my mom kept me up late last night. I'm tired. Genus. And life. Oh, no, we're not supposed to see.
We're going to check our ranking. Oh, so we did really bad. But anyways, the point is we have to put the first through the last was the order. And this is where you organize, you put your organisms in their species.
Okay. I'm gonna write these down in my notes.
Okay. So the 6 kingdoms we're mainly going to talk about today are animals, plants, archaebacteria, eubacteria, protists, and fungi. And what I want you to do is, on your own piece of paper, I want you to trace your hand and then I want you to make your fingers fat when you trace it, and then write all these 6 kingdoms in there, because later we have an activity that we're going to do that helps us learn these 6 kingdoms. Or you can take a picture with your cell phone.
Okay, I'll take a picture. Got it.
Slide number 5. In those 6 kingdoms, when we classify the an organism that I will give you, you classify them by their cell type, whether it's complex or simple, their ability to make food, how they make food.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you tell if it's complex or simple?
I think it has to do with the chromosomes in the body.
Okay.
But on your test, I'll say like how many chromosomes there are, so you'll know whether it's complex or simple. And then the number of cells in their body, and then does the organism have a backbone?
Ooh, dragon.
So this activity is called matching up, and we're going to match up the kingdom with an organism, what we just talked about. So if you want to pull out that activity where you traced your hand.
Okay, I have it.
So the ones in the orange are organisms, And the ones that are yellow are the kingdoms. So, for example, plants, what is an organism of plant?
Oh, okay. What's the one right beside the dragon tail? Can't really quite see it.
That is a creamy archaeal, yeah,
Okay.
ability or something.
Okay, so I know that the animal is a tiger. So we can go ahead and eliminate that.
Okay.
And the plants would be the
Wait.
okay.
Animals. Entire. So we'll check it. Good job.
Thank you.
Next.
Okay, I'll have the fungi. And I'll take the algae.
Did you know that you can find algae in the pool?
Oh, that little green stuff that we found on the side.
Yep. And we'll check it.
Oh no.
Pull her do it. We'll keep going though.
Okay. Plant. And I'll have the Moses.
Mosses. Check it. Yay.
Alright.
Good job.
I'll have the P word.
Protist.
Protist. And I'll match that one with the two-worded one. The
Phallus archaebacteria something.
yes, ma'am. That one.
Check it.
No.
Oh no. Next.
Okay. I'll have the Ecobacterium. And I'll have the one right beside the dragon tail. No.
So we'll do the last ones. So the four that we need to work on are fungi, Ecobacteria, Archaebacteria, and Protist.
Yes.
Number 7 is our last slide. So if you could say the 6 kingdoms aloud.
Yes, ma'am.
So that I know you remember them.
Fungi, Protist, Ebacteria, Aporoism bacteria, plants, and animals.
Good job. Now I want you to create your own example, like the matchup. So like, for example, you did plants and animals really well. I would do a plant and animal example. So could you say those?
An example of an animal would be a gorilla.
Okay. And then for a bonus, I want you to email this to me. and make sure you put your name on your bonus so that I know it's yours. I want you to make 6 kingdoms of your own classification. So it could be like books,